Namar kajing jilai kijing sneo ki bami na kajing di drugs katanat pulit jong Kyrwoh district ha kajing snok ti lang bot Kyrwoh college ha ka ar pulai tadu nailar ar jar pulai kila penoi kajing ajing kai syaki samla kumno bakin om kerni nau tiu jing di ubakta e ka imlang salang ha ka di ka program la wan ban ajing kai bat batai halor ka tega phang dau Dr. L.R. Bishnoi Director General of Police Meghalaya haringkat kajing don lang Ugiri Prasad SP Kyrwoh Ishan Gupta Assistant SP EC Benny Principal Kyrwoh College ki he pulit nolor ki samla puli ka college pat kino hikai Dr. L.R. Bishnoi ulithu bakat kum gaji yok hen na ka Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment House nam arjar khat khandai jan kot praklor ngot ki bangat hau new jing di hakari brok wai bod la kentui ki samla puli bawat la kim di drugs hendrai ki dei bandon jing tip sepang drugs khnang bakin la banya da yela die bad ya ki ba yet bathon ki bangat hau new jing di
no to drugs
No to drugs.
yes to life
Yes to life.
no to drugs
No to drugs.
yes to life
Yes to life.
no to drugs
No to drugs.
yes to life
Yes to life.
Thank you very much. So that is why we are concerned about it. Why we are so much concerned? Because in 2019, please remember, 2019, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, they have conducted a nationwide survey, and they noted in 2019 at that time that there are nearly 8 crore people in India who are taking drugs. So this is a huge figure. Now it may be touching 10 crore. And major proportion of that drug abusers are the youngsters. Ranging from the age of 15 to 35. And many of them are students. Either dropout students from the school or sometimes the school and college and university students. So that is why it is a cause of big concern for all of us. Because you are youngster, you are the future of the country, your life is as precious as diamond for us. We want to see the youth happy, healthy and smiling. We cannot afford to ruin the future of the youth by the drugs. Okay? So that is why we have come to your college. You must know some basic idea, even if you are not taking drugs, but if you are aware, you can save your friends, you can save your relatives who are in the grip of drug abuse, you can contribute in your own best possible. So quickly we will go through the slide on the drug abuse point of view. You know the Meghalaya is a small state having almost populations of 36-37 lakhs only. It has 12 districts and 80 police stations. And you know how many colleges are there in Meghalaya? There are 70 colleges. Kyrwoh is one of them. Kyrwoh College was established in 1984. 1984. It's a quite old college, and I was told that nearly 1,500 students are there and 40 old faculty members. College building is quite imposing, so I'm happy to come here. So why Meghalaya is sensitive? Because Meghalaya has close proximity to the Golden Triangle area. You heard about the Golden Triangle? Any idea what is a Golden Triangle? You have not heard? It is not a Golden Triangle, it is a Devil's Triangle. Devil's Triangle. Why? The bordering area of the Thailand, Burma and Laos, these 3 Southeast Asian countries, comprising a very, very difficult terrain, almost 9 lakh square kilometers, where the poppy cultivation is done. And out of that opium, heroin and morphine are produced. So that is why earlier the name was Golden Triangle, but now it is a Devil's Triangle. And the area is so huge that 40 number of Meghalaya can be accommodated in that area. It's a huge area, and that area is a poorly administered area, and opium is rampantly grown there, and they have there some improvised factories to produce the heroin and morphine.